leaked video has put a senior highway patrol group official in hot water, allegedly caught discussing how to dismiss charges against a suspect arrested with firearms and explosives. Whistleblowers say millions in bribes changed hands, with arresting officers ending up facing charges themselves. The case is now with NAPOLCOM, which vows a thorough review. Our Ryan Lasigas tells us more.
Huwag yung masamain, ha? Inaayos natin ang hindi pagkakaintindihan ng ano, ha? Kung ano man yan nangyari dyan, ito ang team leader. Mabait na bata to. Sana wag mo maano, ha?
Paritiro na lang, galing sa nakakaibig niya.
Sir, wag mo nang ano magawa niyo yung...
Nag-dismiss na pala yung sa Paranaque.
Wala na ako.
Sir, wag niyo na... Pag-dismiss mo na yung pag-dismiss, wala nang challenge.
This video was taken during a drinking session with Colonel Romel Estolano and the arrested suspect JJ Javier. In the video, voices can be heard seemingly discussing how to dismiss the case against Javier. According to Police Senior Master Sergeant Aladen Orale, Javier was arrested by Task Force Limbas of the PNP-HPG on June 13 in Paranaque for using a blinker and having no license plate at the back of his vehicle. He also failed to present an ORCR. When authorities searched the vehicle, they recovered bulletproof vest, firearms, and C4 explosives. Because of this, Javier, allegedly a scammer and claiming to have connections with the first family, was charged with multiple complaints. However, Colonel Estolano allegedly objected to this and even scolded them for arresting and filing cases against Javier.
Pinagalitan niya pa nga ako eh. Sabi nung una na, sabi niya, sino bang CEO mo? Nung malaman niya na si JJ, sabi ko, ikaw sir, bakit ka nag-operate? Hindi ko alam. Hindi sir, nagpaalam ako sa chief mobile ko, sabi ko. At that time, nang April, sige, sabi niya, nagpaalam ka pala, sige. Asan si JJ sir, nandun sa NBS, sabi ko. Kinukuha ng affidavit. Tapos doon na siya pumunta po doon. Kinuha niya si Estolano, pinapunta niya sa loob ng opisina niya.
According to Orale, the tables were even turned as the arresting officer was the one charged before the ombudsman. Among these are the cases of grave misconduct and arbitrary detention due to the alleged wrongful arrest of Javier. Because of this, Orale and 4 others sought help from NAPOLCOM. Earlier, they formally filed an administrative case against Estolano for accepting a 7 million peso bribe from Javier. 2 million was allegedly the down payment to ensure dismissal of the case. 4 million to weaken the filed case under RA 10591 and RA 9516, and 1 million for special treatment.
Ayan po si JJ Javier, yung nakaitim may eyeglass, parang wala lang. Pero arrested na namin po siya dyan. Parang wala din siya pusas, wala siyang damit na na-arrested dahil siya po sa pagtrato ni Colonel Estolano sa VIP treatment.
They claimed they also reported the incident before then the PNP-HPG officer in charge, Police Brigadier General Eliazar Mata. It was investigated but allegedly stalled after a change in the HPG leadership. NAPOLCOM ensured that the filed complaint will be thoroughly reviewed. They also said Estolano will be given the chance to defend himself through the submission of a counter-affidavit.
Yung pong kanilang complaint ay evaluate po ng ating Inspection, Monitoring and Investigation Service o IMIS. After which, kung meron pong kailangan pa po mag-progress, papasugutin po yung si Colonel Estolano, i-evaluate uli ng IMIS. Kung feeling ho nila dapat po talagang tumuloy pa yung kaso, sila po maaari mag-file ng formal charge sa ating Legal Affairs Service.
Javier is currently detained at the Quezon City Jail, while Estolano is under the Personnel Holding and Accounting Unit. Ryan Lasigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Kamkrame.